Hi everyone. We all already know that to buy untested vintage car radios it's a bit risky, yeah, because it's always something wrong after 30, 40, 50 plus years. Cassette decks, backlights, channel issues, rubber parts, everything can go bad, okay? And this exact video, I want to speak a little bit about the Blaupunkt radios from 1980s to early 90s, okay? Especially SQR model. Doesn't matter which one, SQR 28, 29, 32, 46, 48, 88, you name it, all of them has very known some issues, okay? So first thing, you want to make sure you can turn on the radio and visually see the screen, because pixels tend to go bad, okay? And please believe me, there is only few people who can fix those screens, like literally, no matter in what country you live. You can be in US, Germany, France, whatever. You will be lucky if you find like one or two lads who can work on bad pixels for these radios. So bad pixels is the first thing, okay? Next thing is the codes. You're probably thinking like, oh, it's code, it's an easy job, like it will cost like $5 or $10 or whatever currency you have. Like, no. These exact models, it's not that easy job. Yes, on most radios, it's easy job. Electricians uses code generators, sometimes little bit soldering, sometimes they have to connect to the chip and extract the code. Like very easy codes could cost 5, or a bit more complicated could cost $20 or euros or whatever. These exact models, like right now I'm holding SQR 88 model. It's very advanced radio, okay, at that time, and it was very well protected by the code. For these exact models, not only electrician has to have special equipment, but it has to have a lot knowledge. Like, it's not enough just to have an idea how to extract the codes from these radios, because one simple mistake and electrician can lose all the data from chip, and basically radio will be as a donor at the best, okay? So again, not only very few people who can fix the screens, very few people who can unlock these radios also. And eventually, when you find someone who can unlock them, okay, extract the code from these radios will cost you somewhere around like from 50 euros to 80 euros. So be ready for that, okay? So just imagine little bit, if you buy and tested one of these, okay, you don't know about the screen, you don't know anything. First, you have to unlock it. So you pay like 50 or 80, whatever currency you have, just to unlock it. And when you unlock it, you see the bad pixels and other issues like cassettes and whatever. So it's gonna be a lot money. You're gonna spend a lot. So I always recommend to buy these only if you can visually test them and see the screens, and you make sure it's unlocked or it has a code, okay? And don't get me wrong, these radios are very good. Like, they are extremely advanced. They even has a fans inside to cool down everything. So they sound amazing, and they was used in high-end cars such as like BMWs, Porsches, Lambos, you name it. So these radios are really good. They are very expensive radios, but you can't just buy them untested ones, or if you can't buy them if you simply can't visually see the screen and you don't know the code. So do the math yourself, and I hope this video helped you a bit, and I will see you in the next one. Thumbs up.